Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another vlog. So today I'm sending out RVMs like I usually do. I've been doing it all week. I got a couple campaigns running there.
Told you not to call here. It's not for sale. Quit texting me and aggravate.
And basically I'm gonna show you guys the results of my RVM campaign, and I also have an awesome thing to show you guys later on today, which is I'm going driving for dollars later. I'm going to show you guys what I do when I go out driving for dollars and how I'm able to pick up so many properties throughout the day. Now so far I just sent out this ringless voicemail campaign. It's 213 people so far. I've gotten a couple phone calls. I'm gonna go ahead and show you some of those phone calls and how they went. But I have sent a lot of ringless voicemails in the past 2 weeks. I've sent over like 2,000 ringless voicemails. I haven't really been getting a lot of success. Some days I'm a hit, some days I'm a miss. You know, it just really all depends. You know, sometimes it just works out like that. I think it really all depends how many times you've hit a list. After a while, people just won't even bother trying to call you back or contact you because they already know what you want, and either they're not ready or they don't have anything for you to buy. So let's continue this day. I'm gonna wrap up everything that I need to do. I have a couple phone calls to make, and I actually have a property to assign, and we'll get ready to go out and go driving. So I just sent out an RVM, and I'm actually getting phone calls back. I'm gonna call these people back right now.
Hello?
Hey, good morning. My name is Dan. I'm the guy who called you earlier.
Yes.
Hey, I was just wondering if you were the owner of 403 South Chester Street in Gastonia?
Yes, and I think my partner may have had some conversations with you about that particular piece of property. I passed your name and number on to him.
Okay. Yeah, I think I might have talked to him a couple months back. I'm not really sure if oh yeah, I do remember. It's a duplex.
It's a duplex. His name is...
That is correct, yes. I actually have to call Richard.
Yeah, he's the guy. He would make the decision. And, we own it together as partners, but he would be the guy to talk to.
All right, perfect. Well, thank you so much. I'm gonna give him a call.
You're welcome. Okay.
So I had actually already talked to this guy. He was on my RVM list. I forgot to move him over to follow-up, so definitely got to do that right now. Let's call this last guy. I got one more guy to call here.
Your call has been forwarded to an automated voice message.
Yeah, he didn't pick up. I'm guessing I didn't call him fast enough. So we are out here at our destination. We're gonna go ahead and start driving and pick up as many properties as we can. It's 2:54 right now in the afternoon. I'm gonna try to go for about 3 hours. Got my wife and kids in the car. Girls, say hey. So, ready to roll. I was serious when I said I bring my kids with me driving for dollars.
Let's go driving for dollars. Yay!
Before I start driving, I'm gonna let you guys know what settings I'm using. Right now, I'm using tap to add mode. If you look in the top left-hand corner, you should be able to see it on your phone or device, whatever you're using. That way, all you have to do is just tap on the property and it'll automatically add it to your deal machine. Alright, so here goes a good one right here. It's got boards on the side of the windows. I'm actually going to take it down right now. So far, it says I've been driving for 45 minutes, but got to add 30 minutes to that. I've already picked up 200 properties. So pretty good, not too bad. I've been getting all the vacant lots, any properties that I see with some type of distress on them, which actually that one kind of does. Looks like the foundation has some issue. Oh look, here goes a perfect candidate right here. This is definitely distress. Anything that you can find or anything that you think even might be remotely distressed. Even, you know, houses like this with a bunch of junk outside. That one actually looks not too bad because it looks like it has recent repairs or updates on it. So you wouldn't want to take stuff like that, but this, with all these old windows, a lot of just, it looks outdated. You can tell that it is worth picking up. Actually there's a fire truck right in front of me. I'm trying to get around.
Can you back up?
I can't. Someone's behind me. So you guys got to see me drive around and pick up all these properties today. I was really happy I was able to pick up about 276 properties, which is pretty good for the amount of time that I was out there for. I was out there for about three and a half hours roughly. That's including me going through a bathroom break, me driving all the way out there. It took me about, I think, like 20 minutes to get to that area. So not too bad at all. One of the things that I love about continuing to go back and drive a certain spot, I think now I've come to the point where I think I re-drive every 2 to 3 months, and every time I go I always find either new properties that I never seen before, or I see properties that I have seen before but now they're either vacant or some type of issues going on with them, which makes great potential for me, because now instead of me just pulling a list and I only pull that list maybe once a year, I'm gonna go back and basically refresh my driving for dollars list. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna export them from Deal Machine and scrub them against my current leads that I have on Mojo and see who do I have in there that maybe has been contacted multiple times, send the mail, and maybe who hasn't been contacted at all and just send it out and go get skip trace. I'm not gonna do it right now, and I'm not gonna show you guys how to do it. I think Deal Machine has a couple of videos on it, as well as it's pretty self-explanatory if you're using Deal Machine. Definitely a great and awesome tool, by the way, Deal Machine. Shout out to Deal Machine, gotta love Deal Machine. They're the reason why I'm able to close so many deals, and the reason why that I've been able to consistently close deals every single month. The good thing about Deal Machine is that no matter which way you use it, there are so many different ways that you can use it. Like I myself, I've kind of like hacked it to a point where I'm using it one certain way, and somebody else could use it a completely different way and make way more money. It really just all depends on how you use the tool. It's the same thing like a drill. A drill has so many different attachments to it. You can use it for so many different things. It really depends on what your needs are going to be. So I appreciate you guys watching my day, how it played out. I had a great day today. I feel very productive. I like days like these where I'm not sitting around just scrubbing data all day, even though that is a very productive part of what we do. You know, I'm constantly scrubbing against stuff that I have, see who I've talked to, see who I've hit, and see where my marketing needs to go. Every single day, it's always a different change in your marketing plan. You literally have to go with the market and see what the market is telling you. How are people responding? What are they responding to? Those are key points to your marketing. So thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys on another vlog.